To be a chess grandmaster, you need to play 27 games in a tournament. Then you would also need a rating of 2,500 ELO by playing games on an app from chess.com. Then after playing a qualified tournament, after all of that, you need to get 2 norms. To get it, you need to get norms. You need to beat a player with a higher rating than you. You need to beat them once I start my career as a chess grandmaster. My first goal would you need to be a higher rating than them to get 2 norms. Once I start my career as a chess grandmaster, my first goal would to get to 2,800 next I'd like to be Grandmaster Magnus Carlsen, who is a very popular grandmaster.